What's up, AP3 family? We've got a cool car in here today. We've got the Porsche Taycan. This is a different spec that we've seen. All black, murdered out with the black wheels. Looks really good. However, this car came with film from the dealership, full car PPF. And we're giving it a wash right now because, I don't know if you can see some of this. There's trash all in the film. Edges are peeling up. Let's see if we can get this right here. This edge right here, peeling up completely. It's kind of a bummer. So we're just gonna show you what happens when sometimes other PPF installers, the speedy PPF guys is what we want to call them, they just don't do quality work. And here at AP3, we want to give you the best longevity of your film. We want it to look like it's not even there. We want to wrap those edges. We want to make sure there's no trash in the film because we want you to have your car protected from rock chips and other debris, but we also want it to look amazing. So, man, look at these brake calipers. Gorgeous. So, anyway, a little exciting day at the shop today, but this one we're going to focus on, and we'll show you what we're going to be doing to it. Guys, we have the Taycan here in the shop. We dried it off just so we can show you all of the imperfections that's in this film just due to poor install. So we've got some edges peeling up right here. We have some trash up here in the film. I don't know if you can see that, but all of these pieces right there, there. Discovered this door handle was missed completely by the installers. This is peeling off. If there wasn't trash in the installs, we would be able to just, kind of trim this up, make it cleaner. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna use our steamer. We're just gonna remove all the film. It's gonna take a while, but we're gonna take all this film off. And then we're actually, what I'm excited about, is going to stealth this Porsche. So we're gonna use our stealth film. It's gonna have that matte satin look, and it's gonna look pretty good. So we're gonna do that, and we'll show you what it looks like afterwards. Morning, everybody. Day 3 on the Taycan install. Taycan. We've got half of it done so far. It's turning out really good. Just wanted to show you an update. Was that a spider? It is. We are wrapping all of these edges. Now back here, obviously you're gonna have those notch cutouts, just because those are things we can't wrap over. Our installers are doing great work. I think this thing is gonna look at how it shows all those body lines. I didn't even know those were there. It's awesome. So Taycan's looking good. We'll probably have the other half done today. Hopefully we can get this out by the end of the week. So we'll see. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we are putting the final touches on a Taycan. So what we're doing is we're just putting these emblems back on, putting the front end emblem back on right now. Just put the rear emblem. What we do is we take these emblems off when we install so that we can have a clean install, and then we send them to our company that takes the backing off. They clean it, re-tape it. That way we don't have any, lines here. It's gonna be clean. So now, Tony, what are you doing? So anyway, yeah, we've got all these other cars we need to take care of, but let's just go ahead and roll the B-roll of this Taycan.